How to interpret Kappa. Cohen originally suggested that Kappa can be interpreted as the following. Based on the different cut points, Kappa value reflects agreement. It can be no agreement, slight agreement, fair agreement, moderate agreement, substantial agreement, and a perfect agreement. For the running example, the observed agreement is 80% or 0.8, Kappa is 0.6, which can be interpreted as moderate agreement based on the above cut points. Can you critically think whether it's fair to say that 80% of the observed agreement is just a moderate agreement? Potential problem. This is the same Kappa statistic as presented before. We will collect the key information to make a summary table. The summary table will be presented at the bottom. 35 images were evaluated as disease by A and B. 15 images were evaluated as disease by A, but were evaluated as normal by B. 5 images were evaluated as normal by A, but were evaluated as disease by B. 45 images were evaluated as normal by A and B. PO in red is observed agreement. P in blue is expected agreement. Kappa is Kappa statistics. This slide has the same structure as the summary table presented in the last slides. PO is the observed agreement. As you can see, the observed agreement is 0.9 or 90%. However, Kappa statistics vary substantially from 0.1379 to 0.8013. The example illustrates that Kappa statistics may be a problem. The same observed agreement Kappa statistic can substantially vary, which makes the interpretation confusing. The same observed agreement leads to different Kappa statistics due to expected agreement being different. The higher expected agreement is, the lower Kappa statistic will be. Even though the observed agreements were the same, the different distribution of observed agreement as disease and observed agreement as normal lead to different expected agreement. This slide graphically presents the same information as presented in the table from the last slide. You can clearly see that, based on the Kappa statistic, the observed agreement 90% can be slight agreement, fair agreement, moderate agreement, and a substantial agreement. Conclusion. Due to potential problem, Kappa alone cannot be used to determine inter-rate reliability in healthcare studies. If Kappa is presented, should observed agreement also be presented in healthcare studies? Read the reference for more information on Kappa. This is the end of Kappa statistic.